Key lime minis are a delightful and refreshing treat that perfectly capture the tangy and sweet flavors of key limes. These bite-sized desserts feature a graham cracker crust and a luscious key lime filling. Whether you're hosting a party, preparing a dessert spread, or simply craving a small indulgence, these key lime minis are sure to impress. Let's dive into the recipe and bring a taste of the tropics to your kitchen. Ingredients: 1½ cups graham cracker crumbs, 1/3 cup melted butter, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 cans, 14 ounces each, sweetened condensed milk, 3/4 cup key lime juice, zest of 2 key limes, whipped cream for garnish, lime slices for garnish optional. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Line a mini muffin tin with paper liners or grease with butter. 2. In a bowl, combine the graham cracker crumbs, melted butter, and sugar. 3. Mix well until the mixture resembles wet sand. 4. Press about 1 tablespoon of the graham cracker mixture into the bottom of each muffin cup, firmly pressing it down to form the crust. 5. In another bowl, whisk together the sweetened condensed milk, key lime juice, and lime zest until well combined. 6. Pour the lime filling over the graham cracker crusts, filling each cup almost to the top. 7. Bake in the preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges are set and the centers are slightly jiggly. 8. Remove the mini pies from the oven and let them cool completely in the muffin tin. 9. Once cooled, transfer the mini pies to a serving plate or tray. 10. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours to allow the pies to set and chill. 11. Before serving, garnish each mini pie with a dollop of whipped cream and a slice of lime, if desired. Now that your key lime minis are ready, it's time to indulge in their zesty and creamy goodness. These mini desserts are perfect for any occasion, from casual get-togethers to elegant dinner parties. The combination of the buttery graham cracker crust and the tangy key lime filling is simply irresistible. So grab a mini pie, take a bite, and let the tropical flavors transport you to a sunny paradise. Enjoy. Note: you can store the key lime minis in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, but we doubt they'll last that long once you and your loved ones get a taste of them